What word is this? Yes, one by one I'll ask children. Mute yourself. Yes, what is it, Sarah? A-N? Good morning, Tilakar. Sarah, I'm asking you, Sarah. A-N? Okay, fine. Kevin, come on, tell me, ma. What is A-N? A-N.
A-N.
A-N, what is A-N?
A-N.
An. An. Okay, very good. Okay. Next one. Tilakar, I'll ask you afterwards. Mute yourself. Okay. Kevin, next word. A. Mm. Mm. Anna. Am. Am. Okay. Next is, what is 80? Mm. Look here. Where are you looking? At. At. Very good. Very good. Next. As. As. Okay. Next is. Yes, good morning, ma. Next is Tilakar. Tilakar. Come on, read this word. What word is this? 80.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. At. Very good, ma, Tilakar. Next. Super, Tilakar. Next. Super. Next. Super. Very good, Tilakar. High five. Well done. Good boy. Very good. Okay, next is, whom shall I ask? Riyasri. Riyasri. Super. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Hey, wow. 80. At. Ant கிடையாது. At. Okay. Very good, Riyasri. High five. High five. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
At. Okay. யாரும் சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க. தெரியுதா? வெரி குட். ஏன் நீங்களே கரெக்டா சொல்றீங்களா? அப்புறம் ஏன்டா தாத்தா கேக்குறீங்க?
இதுல தெரியல மேடம். இந்த பக்கம் லெஃப்ட், உங்க லெஃப்ட் பண்ணுங்க. தெரியல.
தெரியுதா?
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
Yes. As. As. Very good. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, first word.
Yeah.
Very good. An. Next word.
M.
Very good, Mokshita. Next word.
A T
Hmm.
at.
Very good. Next.
A
Hmm.
yes
Hmm.
at
As. As.
at.
Very good, Mokshita. High five. Super, Rakana. Good. Yeah, thank you so much.
ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Dagana. Next is Ilango. Ilango. Tara, when you are ready, please let me know. I'll ask you, okay? Ilango. Come on, read this word, Ilango. இளங்கோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க ஸ்கிரீனை பார்த்தாதான் படிக்க முடியும். கையில என்ன இருக்கோ வாங்கிருங்க இளங்கோ சும்மா. Whatever is there, get it from his hand. First you listen, look at ma'am first. Read the word.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
As. As. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Screen பாரு.
An.
Okay, ma'am. நான் பாக்குறேன்.
இங்க பாரு மேம் பாரு.
நீங்க பாக்குறதா?
An.
An.
Very good, man. Ilango. Good. Next word.
Am. Am.
Super. Next.
At. At.
Very good, Ilango. High five. Thank you, Ilango. Next is Sara. Ready, amma? இப்ப சொல்றீங்களா? Ready? No, va? Yes or no? No, okay. Next is Nimalan. Come on, Nimalan.
அது என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
IT.
IT. அடி கிடைக்கும்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு என்னது?
ஏடி இட்டு எப்படி வரும்? அவன் மூக்க பிஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் on my behalf. How it will become it? Okay, next word படிங்க ஒழுங்கா.
இது படி. கரெக்ட்டா படி.
ஆமா ஆனா. Good morning, Pranavi. And very good. Okay, next.
அது என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
Good morning, Pravina. Yes. Starting problem திலகர் இருக்கு. Okay. High five திலகர்.
நிமலன் மேம்.
Sorry, high five Nimalan.
High five கொடுக்கிறேன்.
High five. Okay. Next is Adarsh will say. Adarsh. Yes, come on Adarsh. Try Adarsh. Try பண்ணுங்க. Yes. As. As. Is கிடையாது. As. Next An. An. Very good. An. Next Am. 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 Okay. At. At. Very good. At. Okay. Next is Adya Sharma. Adya.
उधर देखो मैम.
IT. At. Very good. Okay. Wherever she looks, let her say correctly. That's it.
उधर देखो.
Am. Very good, Adya. Super, Adya.
ये क्या है? बोलो.
An. An. Very good. Okay, next. S.
Hmm.
As. Very good. High five. मैम को हाई फाइव दे दो. Good. Very good, Sara. Next is Kadambari. Kadambari. हाँ. A. S. हाँ. S another. A. As. Very good. हाँ. Next. And good. Next. Am. Okay. Next. Hmm. At. 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 கட் இல்லடா கண்ணா. At. Okay. At. சரியா? Okay. Next. Finally, Pranavi and Pravina together. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒண்ணா சொல்லணும். Okay. What is this word? Thank you, Kadambari. Pranavi and Pravina. At. Very good. சபரி சொல்லி கொடுக்க கூடாது, அடி வாங்குவ. Am. Okay, very good. An. Very good. Pravina, Pranavi, why you are not answering? இது. Okay, இது என்னது? Yes, Anna. As. Very good, Pravina. Super, Pravina. Pranavi, இன்னும் நீங்க பிரவீனா மாதிரி சீக்கிரம் பதில் சொல்லணும். ஓகே, வெரி குட் பிரணவி அண்ட் பிரவீனா. ஹை ஃபைவ் போத் ஆஃப் யூ. ஹை ஃபைவ் கொடுங்க மேம்க்கு. தட்ஸ் இட். வெரி குட். சாரா, யூ ஆர் ஒன்லி பெண்டிங். சாரா, கம் ஆன். கம் ஆன் சாரா. தட்ஸ் மை கேர்ள். கம் ஆன், குட் கேர்ள் சாரா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஹலோ சாரா. என்ன? An. Very good. Next. Am. Am என்னதுரம்மா? Am. Sarah's mom is automatically muting yourself. I can't hear. Sarah.
Ma'am, network connection problem, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, you conduct this by yourself and let me know. Okay. Shavanya. Yeah. Shavanya, come on.
Ma'am, can we try, ma'am? Excuse me.
An. Very good. Am. Am. A. A-T. At. Very good. Next. As. As. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. We'll start the session. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Madhuvanti, today you will say Kidzi Antam Madhuvanti. Kidzi Antam. Madhuvanti. Unmute பண்ணுங்க மதுவந்தி.
Unmute பண்ணு.
You're the wings beneath my flight. Today I pledge With all my might, I shall achieve you. My very good. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Very good, children. You all have said this am, at, and all very well. Yes, good morning. Very good morning. Keep standing for the warm up activity.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Kangaroo! Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Crocodile! Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop! Eagle! Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop!
Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா அது
Adya. Very good, Adya. Next. Ilango.
ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. 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 Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Nakshatra has joined. Nakshatra. Here I am. Very good. Tara. Tara. Very good, Tara. Pranavi. Pranavi. Very good, Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, Pravina. Srinija. Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tilakar, I'm marking you, Tilakar. Kadambari. Yes, very good, Tilakar. I marked you. Very good, Kadambari. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan. Very good. Tilakar. இதுக்கு ஒரு அழுகையா? ஆதர்ஷ். Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti. Thank you so much, children. As first rhymes over, who is going to say? Shavanya already sang. Is there anyone who didn't sing? Yes. Okay, Riyasri, come on, Riyasri. Riyasri. Okay. Come on, Riyasri. With this ear so short. Very good. Well done. And then under a web, who is going to say under a web? Who will sing? Okay, very good. Why Sarah is crying? Ennamma venu Sarah? Why are you crying?
She is completely playing, ma'am. Not at all sitting at chair. So I think that.
Why Sarah? Only 1 hour class, no? After that you can go and play. Yes? Fine? Good girl, Sarah. Don't cry. Okay? Okay. Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs. His legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. And next is the Incy Wincy Spider. Who wants to sing? Incy Wincy Spider. Who will sing? Sarah will sing. Come on, Sarah. Incy Wincy Spider.
Spider, down came the rain, washed the spider out.
Up came the sun.
Up came the sun, brighter on the day. The spider flying up again.
Very Very good. Well done. Okay. Incy Wincy spider went up the water spout. Up. Upna mela pogudhu. Okay. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. And the incy wincy spider went up the spout again. Okay, now all of you stand up. Now I am going to tell you the opposites. You are going to do the actions for that. Now opposite solluva, you should do the actions. Okay. First opposite is stand. Stand. Opposite of stand is sit. Stand. Stand. Sit. Stand. Sit. Okay. Next is big. Big. What is the opposite of big? Big, big, big. Do the action, children. Opposite of big. Pranavi and Pravina, listen. Opposite of big is small. Shravanya. Big. Small. Big. Small. And then opposite of tall. 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 Short. Tall. Short. All of you stand with your parents. Who is there near you? Your mama or papa, whoever is there, stand near them and see who is tall and who is short. யாரு டாலா இருக்காங்க, யாரு ஷார்ட்டா இருக்காங்க? Stand with your mama or stand with your daddy, whoever is there. மதுவந்தி டாலா? எப்படி மதுவந்தி டால்? சேர் மேல நிக்கிறீங்களா? Get down from the chair, naughty girl. Stand on the ground and see who is tall. யாரு டாலா இருக்கீங்க? Who is tall? Mummy is tall or you are tall, children? யாரு டாலா இருக்கீங்க? Yes, Sarah, who is tall? Mokshita, who is tall? Mummy da tall. Very good. Mummy only is tall. You are short. Adya Sharma, who is tall? You or your mama? Who is tall, Adya? Mama or you? Who is tall? Mama is tall, right? And you are short. Very good. Well done. Now fat, fat. Fat means how will you show, children? Fat. You are taller, Sarah. Very good. Okay. Now fat, fat. What is the opposite of fat? Fat. Fat. Opposite of fat another. Thin. Fat. Thin. Fat. Thin. And then open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Cry. Laugh. Cry. You are crying and the opposite. Laugh. Okay. And then last opposite, one more we left. What is that? What is that? Think and tell me.
Day, night. Day,
Huh?
night.
Very good, Lango. Day, night. Very good. Day and night. Day means morning. The sun comes out in the daytime. And night. Night means moon and stars come out in the night time. Very good, children. Well done. Okay. Now next we'll see the recap of some concepts we have learned. So all of you sit down in your places. Yes, last week we learnt about amphibian and reptiles. What is an amphibian? Which is an amphibian I taught you? Come on, tell me. Which is an amphibian?
Yes.
Huh?
Be loud.
Which is an amphibian? Frog. Frog is an amphibian. It lives both on land and in the water. So, frog is an amphibian. And what is the life cycle of a frog? First stage, number 1 is the eggs. Okay. And second stage is the, tadpole. Second stage is the tadpole. You like tadpole, ah? Okay. And then third stage is the froglet. Froglet, what is the difference between froglet and frog, children? Frogக்கும் frogletக்கும் என்ன difference இங்க இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். What is the difference?
I love mama.
Very good, tail. Froglet has a tail, but frog doesn't have a tail. Okay, because it has become an adult frog. Now the tail disappears. Okay, and it comes out of the water to eat some insects and all. Okay, so this is the adult frog. Third stage is the froglet, and fourth stage is the adult frog. Okay, next we are going to see about the reptiles. Reptiles. Why do we call them as reptiles? Because they have very short legs and they crawl on the ground. They will not walk or run like normal animals. They crawl. அப்படியே ஊர்ந்து போவாங்க. That is crawling. தவழ்ந்து போறது. Okay. So the first reptile is crocodile. Second reptile is tortoise. Yes, tortoise. Very good. Third reptile is lizard. Have you all seen lizard? Lizard பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா எல்லாரும்? Have you all seen lizard? Lizard. Lizard na என்னம்மா? What do we call it in Tamil? Lizard na என்னது? Tamil என்னது? Palli. Very good. Yes, very good. Palli. Next is snake. Snake doesn't have legs. Snakes legs illana kuda they crawl on the ground. That's why we call it as a reptile. Okay. And next is the chameleon. Chameleon. Okay. What is the special feature of a chameleon? Chameleon oda special feature என்னது? Yeah, it changes its color according to the surrounding. Okay, wherever it goes, எந்த place போகுதோ அந்த இடத்துக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி கலரை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கும். That is the special feature of a chameleon. This is chameleon. Okay, next today we are going to learn a new letter alphabet, that is Z. Okay, now I want you to take the Z worksheet, children. D74LT. D74LT, Z worksheet, write your date, write today's date 11/10-2121. D74LT, Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zip. Okay. Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz? Like this, Z. That is the phonic sound of Z. Z. Zebra, zoo, zip, Z. That is the phonic sound of Z. Start writing Z. Sleeping line, a slanting line, and again a sleeping line. Right between the blue line, children. Blue line kulle ezhudano. It is not a capital letter, it is a small letter. So right between the blue line. Z. Zebra, zip, zoo. Starts with letter Z. Very good. Those who have finished, I want you to take worksheet number D71LT and be ready with that. Those who have finished that worksheet, take D71LT. Very good, ma. D71LT. You have W and X. Trace the letter W and X.
Big W's. Yes, ma'am.
W and X.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon. Very good. And then X for,
I love watermelon.
yeah, I too love watermelon. X for X-ray. And then W for, again you get W for wool. X for Xmas tree.
Now circle the appropriate digits.
D71 LT.
Polar bear. Circle பண்ணுமா wolf okay fine நீ circle சரி circle மட்டும் பண்ண appropriate letters fine okay exit பண்ணுங்க
Finish.
W க்கு என்ன வரும் ஸ்ட்ராபெரி கோகோ வாட்டர்மெலன் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணு
My favorite
கண்ணு வருமா
Very good. Just you circle, children. You need not color it. Just a circle.
சன் வந்து எஸ் வருமா
Very good, Kadambari.
இதுனா என்ன வரும் எக்ஸ் தானே ஸ்னேக் இஸ் இந்த இங்க என்ன வரும் எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ்ரே ரவுண்ட் பண்ணு எக்ஸ்ரே ரவுண்ட் பண்ணுடா
Yes, Adesh mom. You can mute yourself.
Oh, sorry ma'am.
Finish, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, take your English notebook. Your parents have already copied 4 sentences in that. I already told you on Monday I'll be asking you to read those sentences, right? Come on, take those sentences. Who has finished already? Nimalan, come on, read those sentences, Nimalan. 4 sentences we wrote on that day.
Ma'am, I was aware that time. What
Sorry?
did you ask actually? I was aware that time. What did you ask actually?
4 sentences we copied on Friday, right? In English notebook.
I was aware that time.
Okay, you don't. Okay, I'll present you the screen, no problem.
அம்மா எழுதிட்டல அதை ரீட் பண்ணிட்டேன் ரீட் பண்ணு என்னது ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Boy.
சத்தமா சொல்லு ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு நீ சொல்லு மேம் வெயிட் பண்றாங்க பாரு சொல்லு சீக்கிரம்
I am
இது என்னது இது என்னது இது என்ன படம்
mole.
அடுத்து சொல்லு
I am
ஐடி
I eat.
இது என்னது
Car.
அடுத்து சொல்லு
ITM.
ஐடி
IT. Eat. IS is. Apa?
இது என்னது இது என்ன படம் இது என்ன பிக்சர்
Cup. Single.
It is a cup.
சொல்லு சர்க்கிள்லாம் பண்ண வேணாம் நீ சொல்லு
Circle.
சர்க்கிள் பண்ண வேணாம்டா வெயிட் பண்றாங்க மேம் இத ஒண்ணு மட்டும் சொல்லிடா இவ்வளவுதான்
I eat. Manga bang ma.
Okay, you look at the book and read.
இது என்ன படம் இது என்ன படம் ஏஎன் ஆன்னு சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
An.
இது என்னது இது என்ன படம்
At.
It is an ant. Okay. Okay. Next, who else finish? Who finished? Kadambari.
Mokshita ma'am.
Okay, I'll finish with Kadambari and then I'll come back. Okay, Mokshita and Nitish. Yes, Kadam. Come on, read ma. Kadambari. IT.
Wait. Ma'am, Sara is also. Appa, please wait.
Yeah, I'll ask Sara. Wait 1 minute.
B. It is a ball.
Very good. It is a ball.
It is a car.
Very good.
It is a cup.
Very good.
It is an ant.
It is an ant. Okay, a ant illa an ant. Okay, ma. Okay, next. Next is Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read these sentences.
It is a ball.
Hmm.
It is a car.
Hmm.
It is a cup.
Hmm.
It is an ant.
Very good, Mokshita. Super. Next is Sara.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, well done, ma. Sara.
Start reading. Okay.
Hmm.
Next sound. Adenne.
Ball.
Ball. Very good, Sara. Next.
Okay.
Hmm. 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 Very good. Car. Good.
Is.
Very good.
இங்க ஒன்று இருக்கு AN. And next sound.
Very good. Super. Very good, Sara. Good girl. Okay, next is Nitish.
நிதிஷ் சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுமா சொல்லு.
It is a ball.
It is a ball.
It is a car.
Super.
It is a cup.
Good.
நெக்ஸ்ட்
It is a hat.
It is an ant. Okay? An ant. Chariya? Very good, Nitish. Well done. Next, who finished? Who finished, children?
Ma'am, Nakshatra finished.
Yeah, come on, Nakshatra. Read these.
Barbie.
Okay, Riyasri, I'll ask. Okay, after Nakshatra. Okay, ma? Come on, Nakshatra. Eat. IT. Eat.
I see it.
IS.
என்னது?
What is IS?
Ball.
Yes, ma'am.
I am.
Is.
IS na ennaduma? Is. It is a ball. அப்படி படிக்கணும். Okay, it is a ball. Okay வா? Second sentence அத மாதிரி படிங்க. It. Screen பார்த்தா தானே படிக்க முடியும். If you are not seeing the screen, how will you see? It. Look at the screen, Nakshatra.
Screen பாரு. It's okay. Next. Is. It is.
என்ன picture இது?
Car.
It is a car. Okay. Next படிங்க. Next sentence.
I see
It.
It.
Yes.
It is a cup. Good. Next.
Next. பாரு. It.
அட்டு இல்லம்மா இட்டு. ம் ம் ஏன்
An. An.
ம்
இது என்னது?
It is an ant. Okay. Very good, Nakshatra. Thank you so much. Next is Riya Sri. நோட்டு பார்த்து படிக்கிறீங்களா? It is a ball. It is a car. Riya Sri. Next. It. It is an ant. It is an ant. Very good. Very good, Riya Sri. Adya Sharma.
बताओ आद्या
Adya.
क्या लिखा? क्या हुआ? आता है ना?
It eat.
She spoke everything. Now she's just playing.
She's able to read the sentences, sir?
She was able.
Very good. Okay, now for me one time can you please read?
अच्छा इसको छोड़ दो अभी.
एक बार और एक बार बोलो.
अच्छा मैम को
It.
एक बार मैम को
एक बार मैम के लिए एक बार.
No.
No. Why no?
किट्टी को क्या सिखाएगी? किट्टी को क्या सिखाएगी? चल फिर किट्टी को पढ़ाना ठीक है बात. ठीक है.
Come on. It.
अच्छा ओके इसको रखो.
Okay, last Kitty. Shall I ask Kitty? Kitty बोलो क्या है ये? बोलो. Yeah, come on Kitty.
बोल आद्या बोल फटाफट बोल.
Okay. Are you ready? Read for Kitty. Come on. For Kitty.
बोल
It.
आद्या
नहीं ऐसे बोलते हैं क्या? नहीं.
जल्दी बताओ चॉकलेट मिलेगी. चलो जल्दी बताओ. इट आद्या जल्दी.
No, I'm not good girl.
You're not good girl. Okay, fine. Okay, Tilakar. Okay, if you are able to read, that's fine. Next, Tilakar. Yes, Shravanya. Come on, read Shravanya.
It's a ball.
Good.
It is a car.
Next.
It is a cup.
Good. Next.
It is an ant.
It is an ant. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn 2 more new words. Okay. We already learned THE is the. Right. You all know TH. Yes. Yes. Last time itself you read, ma. You wanted to read. Okay. Come on. First, Tilakar, finish it fast.
It is a ball. It is a ball. It is a cup. It is
An ant. Okay. Ilango.
ரீட் பண்ணுப்பா. இல்ல அங்க பாரு.
பாக்குறேன்.
ரீட் பண்ணுங்க.
It is a ball. It is a car. It is a cup. It is an ant.
An ant. An ant. An ant. Okay. Okay, children. Today we learned that 3. Already we have learned THE is the. What is THE? Yes, what is THE, children? THE na annadu. What is THE? THE is the. We already learned, right? The. Today we are going to learn 2 more words. That is he and she. Okay. He and she. 1 minute. Okay, first we learn H-E. What is H-E? He. H-E. He. He will use for boys, children. He is a boy. He is playing. He is writing. He is sleeping. For boys only we'll use this he. Okay, and then S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. Okay, S-H-E. She. She will use it for girls. She is a girl. She is learning. She is running. She is writing. So for girls we use she. For boys we use he. Ilango listen. Tilakar listen. He. For whom we'll use he? Yarukla he use pannuvom? For whom we'll use he? He. Boys. Very good. For whom we'll use she? S-H-E. She. Girl. Okay. He. This is he. And this is she. He na S irukadinga. Verum H-E mattumda irukum. But she means you will add one more S to this word. Okay. S-H-E. She. Okay. He means for boys and she means for a girl. Okay. So one set of sentence we learned regarding that. One minute. Let me share the screen. Here you have it, children. He. Can you see H-E here? He. I-S is a boy. He. For boys only we'll use he, children. Okay. Remember that. He is a boy. Next. She is a girl. Okay. Now you can see for what we use she. She is a girl. Okay. Now come on, Sarah, read this sentence.
அந்த பாட்டு சொல்லு.
Sarah.
Sarah, try.
Boy.
He is
Boy.
Sarah.
H-E. He.
சொல்லு he is.
Come on, he.
Sarah, read the sentence.
Okay, not in the mood. Okay, Madhuvanti, come on, read ma. He is a boy. She, S-H is she. She is a girl. Kadambari, read the sentence.
He is a boy.
He is a boy. Mute yourself, Madhuvanti. She is a girl. Okay. Adya. Can you read, Adya? Madhuvanti, mute yourself.
पढ़ना बेटा. Hello.
Come on, ma. Adya. H-E.
He is a boy.
Next, S-H-E. What is S-H-E? She. She is a girl. Okay, children. Okay, tomorrow I'll be asking these two words, he and she, children. Learn it. Again, we'll have a small reading practice tomorrow. Okay. So thank you for your cooperation, children. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye and thank you. Yes, bye, children. Yes, Pranavi, Pravina, bye. Nitish, bye. Yes, bye, children.